Okay, this is a Fosdick 4-foot sensitive radial drill. This one is serial number 616504. It's new in 1952. You've got a T-slotted table and base. The table moves up and down by power. You have a number 4 Morse taper. This machine also has from 60 to 1200 RPM and is a 3 horsepower motor. And we're going to run it around for you. Okay. Yes, 3 horsepower. So it's forward and reverse of the spindle. And we are feeding. You're just going to change the speed. You can see there I changed it. So higher RPM. Again, the machine's nice and quiet. Higher RPM. We fed until it hit the bottom and reverse. It's going to bring the table up, table down. Okay. We'll shoot the serial number for you on this one. You unlock the arm. Everything on the machine works. I'll walk around the back.
This one is 220 volt.
220 volt.
And that one is 440.
Okay, the first one was 440 volt. Okay. Hey, thank you for watching the video.